Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're going to talk about a course, right? There's a course out there that's claiming that it can show people how to make $50 a day using an easy strategy. All right. So the question is this strategy in this course, is it legit? And can it really make $50 a day? All right. Let's talk about it. Now, the cool thing is I actually have this course, right? I actually have this course, and I might even did a review on it a couple years ago. Can't remember. But why I'm doing this now, because I actually revisited this course, and because I'm actually using, I've taken some pieces of this course and I'm kind of putting my own little twist on it, right? And I'm gonna see how that works. So the course that I'm talking about is called Unfair Advantage. All right, this is a course that is advertised to teach people how to make $50 a day using simple techniques and strategies. All right, so what is this course really about? Basically, it shows you how to take YouTube and Amazon and put them together, right? Put them together and make them a team. And it shows you how to start generating a lot of traffic putting these two platforms together. Now, obviously, I can't give you everything about the course, but I just gave you the basis, right? So yeah, it teaches you how to combine the two. And if you kind of smart, you kind of figure out, you should be able to figure out what the course is about when I say that. But to be fair, the stuff that they teach you in there, it's the way you set everything up. That's what the benefit of this course is, right? Because common sense will tell you, if you YouTube Amazon, right? Think about it. But the course actually breaks down exactly what you need to do, how you should do it, when you should do it, why you should do it, and it gives you, different templates and all that stuff, whatever. Now the question is, can this really work? Forget what I'm trying to do with the little stuff that I'm taking from the course. But if somebody bought this course, if you bought this course, do I think you can actually earn that kind of money? $50 a day, right? Honestly, I'm gonna say you can, right? I know you might be like, yeah, of course you're gonna say that you got the course, but no. Listen, when you see the course and you go through the whole course, very short, very simple. It is a very simple course, but like, if you really think about it, once you get done, you'll ask yourself, like, damn, why can't I make $50 with this? Why can't I make more money with this strategy? But the key is, I'm gonna keep it real with you. The key is, you gotta be willing to grind a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta take it serious. This is one of them opportunities where I'm gonna say, if you decide to choose this system, shut everything else down, focus on this system. Give this system a couple months of your time and energy and treat it like a job. You know what I mean? At least put in 2-3 hours a day, 4 days a week. If you give this system that type of attention, I do believe you can make $50 a day with Unfair Advantage. Now, this system do got a whole bunch of upgrades and stuff like that. I don't even think I got none of them. I just use the basic course. The basic course is, to me, is all you need to actually get everything set up and start earning money, right? If you want to look at the upgrades and you feel like that's cool for you, great, go ahead. It's on you. I don't think it's necessary to actually start making money with this system, but like I said, it's on you. But ultimately, yes, this is a legit system. You actually, I believe you 100% can make money with the strategy taught in this course. 100%. If you do it, definitely you will make some money with it. I highly believe that. All right, but you know, you do got to put a little effort in with this course. All right, that's my take on unfair advantage and the possibility or the ability to actually generate $50 every day. That's my take on it. If you want to check out Unfair Advantage for yourself, I'll put the link somewhere in the description. Just look for it, click on it. You can look at the sales page, whatever, and get it if you want. If you do get it though, do me a favor. All right, it's right now the course is only $17. $17 will get you, you know, the information that I know. Same information that I know, you'll have it for $17. If you get it, please come back to this video and comment and let me know what you think about the course. Straight up, let me know, like, did I present it well? Did I, you know what I mean? Did I keep it real with you? Let me know if you get this course. All right. So that's my take on it. Unfair advantage. If you got any information out of this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.